Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. We're doing a world coin hunt today, which I've designated World Coin Hunt number 30. The first one of these coins is a French Empire coin. It's a 10 cent from 1853. It shows Napoleon III on this side with the year. Then on the rear it shows the French eagle with the value. The mintage for this 1853 coin is 3,718,711. I don't think there'll be that many of them in existence now, but there we are. This one is probably one of the smallest coins on the coin hunt today. This is a Netherlands 1 cent from 1958. It shows Queen Juliana and the name of the country on the obverse side, and then on the rear, on the reverse side, it says, oh, I got this the right way up. There you go. So once it has the value, a fish and a medieval emblem. I must admit I find it difficult to pick up those last two. The mintage for this coin for 1958 is 34 million. Next we go to Taiwan, and this is a 1 yuan from 1988. The portrait is of Chiang Kai-shek, who was one of the leaders, and on the back, on the reverse of this coin you have the value with the Korean writing, Taiwanese writing. The mintage for this coin from 1988 is 40 million. Next coin is from Spain. It shows Juan Carlos the First. It also gives you the name and the country name and the year on this side of the coin. This coin is 5 pesetas. It is dated 1975 on the front. On the rear, in the star, it actually says 76. I've had it under the microscope, and it says 1976. So you have the star on this side. You also have the value and the coat of arms of Spain. The mintage for this coin is 150,560,000. This next coin is from Poland. Let me just turn over the page for my information. It is a 2 gross from 2009. You have the crowned eagle on this side with the year. So you got the crowned eagle in the centre, you have the name of the country and the year. And on the back you have the value of 2, and it shows 2 oak leaves going around it as well. The mintage for this 2009 coin is 222 million. This next coin shows Her Majesty the Queen. It's from 1958. It is from Malaya and British Borneo. It is a 10 cent coin. The other shows a crowned monarch, the crown on Queen Elizabeth's head. Then on the rear of the coin you have the value. You also have the year and the country. The mintage for this 1958 coin was 10 million. The next coin in this hunt is the Polish eagle again. You got the crowned eagle, the year and the country on the obverse, and then on the reverse you have the number, the value of 5 grossi, and 5 oak leaves. The mintage for this 2014 coin is 15 million. Is that the right way up? Yes, it is. This coin is from the Philippines. You got the coat of arms on this side along with the date of 2014. Oh, sorry, you have the date actually there. This COA is coat of arms is of was issued in 1998. On the reverse you see the portrait of Jose Rizal. You have the country, the year and the value. And the year is 2014. For this one peso coin there is no mintage figures available for this year. Well, for virtually any year of the 1 peso coin. The next one is from Portugal, and on this side you have, let me get it into the area for you, you have the valuation, which is 5 escudos, the coins from 1983, the value and the coat of arms is on this side, and then on the other side you have a sailboat with the country name as well, and you also have the year. The mintage for this 1983 coin is 51,056,000. The next coin is from Chile. It's bimetallic. It's 100 pesos. It's from 2009. On this side you have the value, the year and the coat of arms. On the other side you have a portrait, also with the name of the country, and the portrait is of Mapuche. I'm not sure. I believe he was probably a tribal leader of a while back, but I can't be 100% sure. Let me... No, I can't properly see. I think it's an indigenous woman, but from what I found out, the mintage for this 2009 coin is 92 million. This next one, I thought when I first saw it, it sort of duped me. I thought it was actually Juan Carlos, but it's not. It's actually Constantine II from Greece. So on this side you've got the portrait and you have the year of the coin, which is 1966. It is a 1 drachma coin. On the reverse, you have the coat of arms of Greece and the value. This 1966 coin has a mintage of 20 million. And here we go, the man I thought it might have been last time, Juan Carlos. This makes this a Spanish coin. It's a 25 peseta coin from 1982. On this side you have Juan Carlos. You also have the name. You also have the country as well. On the reverse you have the crown above, the crown of Spain above the value. And you have the Madrid mint mark at the bottom. The mintage for this coin is 146 million, which is quite a bit. The next coin is Norway, and this is Olaf V, is the portrait. It is from 1970 and it's a 1 krona coin. On the reverse of the coin you have a prancing horse, and you have the value, the year, and also the country's name, Norge. The mintage for this coin is 8,637,900. Next one is from Belgium. It's Ceres, and at the back you have the cornucopia. On the rear, at the rear of the head, which is on the right hand side of the coin. This is a 1 franc coin from 1977. It's Dutch text, and on the reverse you have the crowned oak leaf stem with the country and also the value. The mintage for this 1977 coin is 68,500,000. Okay, next coin is Romanian. It's a 10 bani coin from 2017. On this side you have the country name, the coat of arms, and also the year. And on the reverse of the 10 bani coin you just have the valuation of 10 bani. There are no mintage figures for this coin for this year, that year of issue. Next one is a slightly more modern portrait of the Dutch coins, or Netherlands. It's a 25-cent coin from the year 2000. It shows the half-headed portrait of Beatrix, of Queen Beatrix. On the reverse side we have the value of 25 cents, the year, and a patterned background. The mintage for this coin from the year 2000 is 31,176,000. Here we go. This is very much a stylized portrait. Right. This coin, it's a Swedish coin, it's a 1 krona coin from 1977. It says Carl Gustaf XVI and the year on this side. On the reverse we show the crown shield plus the value. So the crown shield of Sweden, you've got 3 crowns within the shield and then a crown above the shield. The mintage for this 1977 coin is 80,434,476. The last coin, I probably did this the wrong way round because you normally don't like to end on a French coin, but there we go. It's a French 1 franc coin from 1960. It shows the sower and the country name. On the reverse you have the year, the value, and an olive vine. The mintage for this coin from 1960 is 406,375,000. There you go. That is the last coin of this hunt. Oops, wrong way. All that remains for me to do is, if you're having a hunt, wish you all the luck in the world and hope you find the coins that you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get them at the price you want to pay. And finally, I am trying to grow the channel for this year. I'm looking at being at 100 for Christmas, if that's possible. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to the channel. So if you believe I deserve it, then please could you subscribe to the channel and also like the video, which both of those would help me go increase my algorithm and put me in front of people who have not seen my work before. For those, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you like. In the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you and bye bye for me. Ta-ra now. Bye bye.